If you guys really liked me, you'd share this video with your friends. Or don't. I guess I don't really care. Hey, we're doing a Reddit recap. It's been a hot second, okay? I haven't really streamed or done Reddit things in forever. My Reddit kind of died. But, like, Ryan sent me a ton of clips from when I stopped looking at Reddit of people posting on it and being like, hey, the King Live is, like, not watching us on Reddit anymore, so we feel bad. So I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna look at the clips that he sent me a while ago. I told him I would get to this. He went to basic training, but I told him I'd look at this, and I'm gonna look at it right now. Okay, so we got a ton of different posts that we're gonna go through, and we're gonna just 2-second 4K killed the last guy lurking. Let's see it. Nice. The Viper pushing through. Very aggressive play. I normally get killed when I do this, but you know, maybe I think I tried to do this recently and they just spammed me through the smoke. I was really irritated. Waits for them to go for the reload. Okay. Okay. I like his friend hyping him up in the background. Listen to this. Hold on. He's just cheering him on. Let's go, man. We all need friends like that. We all need friends like that, dude. This TP against Razult never gets old. Let's see it. There's one TP. There's the flash out. Okay, through the wall. Nice, nice. You're the other TP though, so that she has to be hookah right now. Look at, he's thinking ahead right now. He's got the TP in place. Oh, let's go, bro. I saw that coming from like a couple seconds away. After you hear the Raze ulti, every single Yoru in the game, bro, it's just like, I'm gonna TP behind this bitch. You're just so ready for it, dude. I love it. Moving over to the next clip. My best Raze ace in a ranked game. Okay, okay. I was playing Raze and Spike Rush the other day. I was finding that most of my kills came from you still. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh my god.
Good spray. Not what I expected at all. With the ulti entirely, gets a 3k spray transfer. Okay, that's pretty sexy. And notice how he's playing patient right here, right? He's not pushing up, looking for crazy picks or something. It's a 4v2. He doesn't need to. He's chilling. Reyna has ulti right now. You don't want to fight a ulted Reyna in a clutch moment like this. Now, okay, they're both flanked. They're both flanked. Okay. Nice. Alrighty, dude. That was pretty dope. He's actually popping off this game. That was really good. It does feel good to actually be carrying like that. I don't get those carries anymore because I kind of suck at the game as of recently. Haven't been playing a whole bunch, been working on some other things, but it's cool to see from our homies. Odin, no skill at all. No skill, all kill, actually. This Sova plus any controller combo is great for Garage. I told him the recon he did, boom, free round. Yeah, this is the thing that I do a lot. I haven't even watched the round, but like, if they place a smoke and you're playing Sova, dude, get ready to recon through that smoke and then spam them. It's literally the easiest kills you've ever had in your life. Oh my god.
God damn, bro.
One enemy remaining.
Does he get the ace? Nice. This is from a dream, bro. Literally from a dream. Like, so this seems like it's really good, right? And it is. Like, obviously picking up 3-4 kills right there, that feels pretty sexy. I feel like in my lobbies, they just shoot me in the doorway. I'm going to drop this smoke. Somebody's going to spam me and kill me. Like, I'm just going to get spammed right away. Oh my god, but that's sexy. Literally, that the 4-man tag when you have an Odin in a position like that, you're just like, oh yeah, come to mama. Or
Daddy.
I guess. I'm not assuming. 3 kills with 27 HP. Nice.
Shot down.
Nice.
Nice.
Silence.
It's the Cavalier Vandal, honestly.
One enemy remaining.
Okay, nice. How are they letting the man do this? He has 27 HP, guys. Like, come on. You just gotta body him. That's all you gotta do. This is like when you're in a clutch, or you have somebody, like, they're fighting a guy 1v3, and they're like, hey, he's 27 HP. And like, the first guy dies. You're like, bro, he's 27 HP. The second guy dies, bro, he's 27 HP. Just body him. And then the third guy dies. Oh, man. That's a feels bad, man. We have this tiny angry penguin screenshot. I believe he's played in customs before. 32 kills, 12 defeat. Oh no, that's a feels bad, man. You go into the overtime and you just lose it. You know, sometimes the game's not your fault as much. It's just really not. Sometimes you go into a game, it just ends up rough. You're like, what are we gonna do about it? You move on with your life. Ain't nothing wrong with that, you know. At the end of the day, that is kind of rough. 375 average combat score on Omen too, of all characters. It's not like he's playing Jet or anything, fragging out Reyna. No, he's playing Omen, bro. That's when it feels like an uphill battle. You're trying to make these plays, you're trying to carry your team. It's just not going well. At the end of the day, it's just a game. You know, it is what it is. It kind of sucks, but it's feels bad, man. Why is gold? Let's see it. Surely you're not gonna wall your jet out, right?
Enemy spotted A. Enemy down. Opponent wounded. Rita.
There's so many things wrong with this clip that I can't even I don't even know where to begin. So the jet's gonna be swinging out with the op, whatever. You know, she's swinging out with an op. That's pretty normal for a jet. Dashes back. Teammate walls the jet out.
Enemy spotted.
Jet a little confused, obviously, rightfully so. Gonna updraft over the wall. Starts running away. Brimstone runs in. I thought the Brimstone was on his team for a second. I was like, how the fuck did he get there? And he goes bucking it in. Nade goes off. That's his teammate's nade, I think, right? Because he doesn't die from it. So it's got to be his teammates. Oh my god, bro. I can't even. Where's this slow cut? This is a gold lobby. I wouldn't be surprised if this was an immortal lobby, gonna be honest. I see this stuff all the time, bro. Oh god. There's a Raze replication game mode. Everybody's playing Raze. Good nades coming in. Sniping the guy out with a judge, you know, as you do. Cypher's going and throwing a one-way right there. Not a very good one. Okay.
Down B.
Dude, this guy's a sniper with this judge. Both of these kills are like 10 meters plus. Oh no. Literally, he is not afraid to shoot at people if they're 20 meters away. He's firing.
One enemy.
Oh my god, the jump shots too, bro. Everyone's so far away. He's just sniping them out. That's like the biggest hard counter, but like in replication, because this is what's kind of sucks about replication. They said there's no counters in the game of Valorant, but like there totally are, bro. This guy's playing 5 Raze into 5 Cypher. What a nightmare, man. There's nades exploding everywhere, satchels. These Cyphers don't stand a chance, bro. I'm sorry to say, they really just don't. This one's just an actual question that I never got to. Can you imagine posting this and feeling like you're screaming into the void? Like, the King Live left us. So me and my friend were in a heated debate where we're standing in a position on B site as Killjoy on Ascent.
A, behind Tetris facing towards first lane B, and second lane stairs behind the cardboard. C and CT.
I'm having trouble reading this. Oh. The easy answer is none of these are specifically correct. He's asking 3 different questions. Okay, so where should you position on site as Killjoy? I could load in the game. I'll show you. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Hi. Funny seeing you here. Okay, we're loading it again. All right, so if you're talking about positioning on B site as Killjoy, there are a lot of places you can position. You should not just position in one place every single round, right? So it seemed like what he was suggesting is like having your stuff set up on site and then playing like right here. Maybe a decent setup that you could do would be something like this. I think this is the one that he was talking about. I might be wrong, but you do this whole setup. This is kind of a gimmick right here. Really call it gimmick. Maybe you put your turret on site or something, but sometimes I put my turret there. I think that they can spam it actually in this corner. Like if I come here, oh, maybe not. Yeah, maybe I'll see it and spam it through. But it seemed like what he was suggesting is playing CT and holding like an angle like this. And this is something that you can do, right? Like sometimes let's smoke this off. Most of the time, let's smoke this off. When they come onto site, you pop the mollies and it does that little thing. You know, we've probably all seen this setup before. It makes it really annoying to enter onto B site, right? It's an okay setup. It's okay. It's more of a gimmick because they don't need to go lane. If they know that you're setting up all of your utility right here, what you're doing is you're sacrificing a lot of map control and you're using it for like this big play right here, which like can work out, but it also can be a waste because if we know that you're doing this setup, we can just run around like this, right? And this is why you shouldn't do the same setup every single round. We're just going to smoke you off. We'll smoke off market. We'll just come through here. After you've blown all those mollies, maybe the last player in B main comes up and they go lane. Then we just do like a split like this, you know? So what you'll see a lot of the times is sometimes people will throw a molly just to stall out pushes or something like that. And then they'll throw like, they'll take your alarm bot. Yeah, you throw your alarm bot right there, throw a molly right there or something like that. And then you can have your turret right here, or you can have your turret right here. You could have your turret over down the lane or something like that if you really wanted to. Sometimes you can have your turret even here. This is pretty aggressive. You can throw your turret up here. That would be a thing that you could do with it. You can do all of these things with the alarm bot. It's going to spread out your util a lot more. And this will make it so rather than you having all of your eggs in one basket, your utility's doing a lot more, right? Your turret's watching B main, so nobody's pushing that. You have an alarm bot watching mid, so nobody's pushing this. This gives you a lot of info. So now what you did is you set up all of your stuff right here for one big play, but instead what you have is you have info in B main and you have info in mid right now. This is almost more valuable in a lot of situations, right? The only other situation where this would be more valuable is if you're trying to shut down a hard push, right? So if they're going to be running straight into B main and trying to book it towards site, that's really good to catch people off guard and kill them. But otherwise, they don't really need to deal with this. And there are also ways to deal with it, right? So now that KO's in the game, if you know where Killjoy's playing, if she's playing CT every round, I can just knife CT. These are all deactivated. We're going to run on site for free, right? That's not going to be cool. If you have a Raze on your team, you can have the Raze satchel through window or something like that, and it can land right on lane, and you can satchel and kill those things. Or she could just throw a satchel from like right here. You literally just throw a satchel right here. It's going to clear out all of your stuff. That's going to be really annoying. Sova can shock dart it too. That's also really annoying, right? All these things are obviously very clear problems playing against good players. And you said these guys were better than you, so it's probably what I would expect, right? You're afraid to take gunfights. That's clear. If you're afraid to take gunfights, that's totally fine. What you could do, I probably wouldn't set up on site because you want to be able to play off your teammates, but you can have like a teammate playing in like logs or something right there, and then you can have a teammate playing like right here, right? If you're soloing site as Killjoy, you could do something a little bit different. Maybe you want to play in CT at that point because you want to play retake, right? If you're playing CT, you probably don't, or if you're playing solo, you probably don't want to play like deep on site because it's also, first of all, not going to provide your team very much info, and second of all, it's not going to be a very good position because you're just going to get traded out, right? But if you did want to play on site, you could do something like this. Maybe set up a turret right here, and then you can play off of it, right, either behind Tetris or in boat room. Once your turret shoots, you can peek, and you can get a kill onto a player like that. You could set up on stairs. This is something that you could do, and have your turret set up. Then you would put your molly like right here or something. Maybe you have one to like block off site, and you can set it up like that. So once they start pushing in, you can use that molly. How do I activate mollies on Killjoy? F. And then you could possibly peek and take a duel like this. I probably wouldn't full swing into the doorway because that's where people are going to be coming out of. But you can hold an angle like this and pick up a kill on somebody as they're pushing in. Yeah, there's a lot of things that you can do with Killjoy when you're playing on B site. Maybe you wanted to play market and you could set up like this. Something I've done with setups, if you wanted to do like an aggressive setup. Let me pull back my util. I'll do something like this. Set up a turret here. Set up an alarm bot here. And I'll throw another molly like right here. And then when they come pushing in, you can activate those mollies. When this person's going for the button, they're going to get fried, right? They're going to be running through, and you can maybe like beam them from here. There's a lot of different setups you can be. If you wanted to do those double like gimmicky setups, then like, you can go for it. But for the most part, when you're playing Killjoy, you're going to get a lot more value out of doing something like this. You know, setting up a turret like right here. That's just how it goes. It's a lot more boring than playing for those like aggressive like molly plays, but it's going to be a lot more effective in terms of value anyway. We can go over to A site. This is just the setup I've been thinking about. I mean, you've probably all seen it if you play Killjoy, but this is a fun one that you can do. You throw a turret right here, and then it'll spot the button over here. Throw an alarm bot like in there, and you throw like these mollies. And then when they come to hit the button, your turret's gonna activate. It'll be tagging them. You pop the mollies. It starts like just frying them. That one's a funny setup, but yeah. Hope that answers your question. This is a TikTok post, it looks like. Okay. Nice. Killed the jump peak. The baby jump peaked into the perfect height head level for a pregame right there. Oh, but he steals the 5K, dude. Nachi's insane. I've watched him play before. I did a VOD review for him, I think, on the Patreon. Speaking of which, the Patreon I haven't uploaded to in a while. The Patreon is strictly, at this point, just for, like, supporting the channel if you want to. Not forcing it, obviously. If you want to support the channel, you want to support my living, feel free to do so. I'm going to be uploading more videos like this, but, like, definitely, I'm putting it out there. There are past VOD reviews that I did if you want to see them, but I'm not currently posting VOD reviews on the Patreon. We got a Grimwall right here. Grimwall in the house. I just finished a Grimwall guy for Skid Cap. So this isn't for the Sage, it's for the Jet, which is very, this is very selfless right here. Oh my god. This angle, bro.
They don't know. They think you're aimbotting.
I think you could theoretically do this wall with anybody. It doesn't have to be Jet. Yeah, he didn't even updraft to get on this. You could theoretically do this wall with anyone. So that's pretty cool. I guess use that at your own will. This is a Spike Rush clip, and Spike Rush just hits different, bro. We had a Spike Rush clip earlier. I had a couple Spike Rush clips on my Twitter recently. Spike Rush just hits different, dude. It's a good time. Except for when it's not. No, when it's not, pausing this video just to mention this. No, when Spike Rush is not a good time, when fucking Jet picks up the golden gun on like a shorty round or some shit. Or like she gets her ultimate on a shorty round. And it's just like everyone, you just lose. You literally just lose the round because she picked up one of the orbs. It's like, you don't even have a chance, bro. That's when Spike Rush gets ruined. That's when Spike Rush is not a fun time. It's all a nade on top of the orb. I like it. Look at the movement. He's zooming. Nice, okay. Solid nade. Lots of value out of the util right now. Okay. I didn't expect that. Lots of value out of the util right there. Very, very value heavy util with those nades. Op is brain dead. Is this a Lucas magic click? We're all op haters in this community. We don't love the op. Ketchup is he's a longtime community member, does the customs every now and then, but we don't support the operator. I've never seen more unaware players than I have today, bro. What is this Phoenix doing, man? Okay. Everyone's losing their mind. Yeah, I had a good no scope yesterday. Let me find it. It was right here. Had a good no scope. Felt pretty good about it. Oh yeah, I killed a jet. Remember that range? That was a good no scope. That was clean. Yeah, we got a sheriff headshots clip. And the crowd goes wild. We better see a good clip here. He's using the jet sheriff, so you know he's a jet man. What is this crosshair? Hello? Okay. 3 bullets left. That's 3 kills.
So many one taps.
Nice.
Oh my God,
You gotta aim higher.
you have knives too if you need it. Oh my God, you're just so
Jace is nasty. This is what, like, when you watch players like this, I've played with Jace before too, but like he's nasty, but like little things like that, you know, at the end, like if he just raised his crosshair a little bit, maybe didn't crouch every single time he took an engagement, like this dude would be cracked, bro. There's the crouch again. Immediate crouch. No, see, every single time he takes engagement, immediate crouch, aiming a little low. But like literally, he adjusts like these few things right here. He's gonna be nasty, bro. This is what's crazy about the Valorant community. There's so many players that have just a ton of potential. And I'm not talking about Jace here, but like the guys who literally they don't have the mental capacity to try to improve. It's just like disappointing. You know the guys I'm talking about. You queue into a ranked game with them, they're top fragging, but their mental is just the most dog shit thing you've ever seen. They're raging at their entire team, and it's just like, bro, you have so much potential in this game, but you're just never gonna, you're literally never gonna hit Immortal. You're gonna be hard stuck platinum your entire life because you just like, you can't hold in your temper for 20 minutes for a game. That's not Jace. Jace is cracked. Jace just like, I want him to stop crouching when he shoots people. But like, this is other people, you know? This player's immortal, is what I was told. 1v5. Does he win this? It's the Forsaken one, I think. So this is something I noticed in like clips like this. Like, when you're on a 1v5, this is why 1v5s are so hard, in my opinion. Notice how he's what? 89 HP, 27 armor right now. He's going to take this first engagement. It's going to drop him down to 77 health. 77 for a 4 armor. It's just like, it's hard to get multiple engagements without taking any damage. Everyone's going to get just a little bit of chip damage. And once you get to the last guy, you're going to have like 5 HP, bro. That's what sucks about it, you know? See, oh, he didn't even get hit there. No, he's just insane. Okay. 3 HP. I called it, bro. He's low. Oh, okay, Bayama. Literally insane, though. Naughty clip. That was a good job. They're not even hyping it up. You gotta hype your bro up after this, dude. After your friend or like even anybody on your team wins a 1v5 like that, you gotta hype him up. You just have to. Other than that, I think that's all the clips. All the clips he sent me. Thanks, guys, for watching this. And if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel. Send it to your friends. I'll see you in the next video.